What's up guys, Chris here. So today the plan is to fish Indian Creek here in Huntsville, Alabama. On my walk in here I found a cicada on the ground as well as a worm, so I'm actually going to save those for this deep pool that's back here. I've never fished this place with live bait, so I want to test to see if there's anything back in that large pool that might go for the cicada or that caterpillar. But for now I'm just going to start with this little frisky frog from Walmart and see how things go. Oh shoot! It hit the water. Whew! Finally. Alright, finally just got fish number one. Nice sized red breast sunfish. I've been casting probably for about an hour and 15 minutes now. Finally just hooked into a fish. But I think I'm gonna go and try to give that cicada and worm a try now. Let's get this guy back in the water. Oh, fish on. First cast over here. Yes, fish on. Oh, wow. Alright, first cast. Fish on him. Oh! Alright, just got a second fish of the day. Another little red breast. Getting back in the water. So I'm actually going to start with the cicada, see how that goes. So I actually have no idea how I should hook this. So this is how I have it rigged up. Alright, so I'm going to cast this just using the weight of the cicada itself. But I might need to tie on a split shot. The only thing I'm worried about tying on a split shot is increases the chance of getting snagged to the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and fish this weightless and see if I have any luck. Alright, so I'm going to cast it towards those plants on the other side. Or I'm going to try to, but oh, fish on. That did not take long. Alright. Looks like a red breast sunfish. Alright, so first cast with that cicada, was able to get a little red breast sunfish. So let him go. So I went over there to look for worms and I found this super old little hula popper. Alright, give these a shot. Alright guys, so today's been super rough. I didn't even have too much luck with that live bait. I kept getting snagged to the bottom and breaking my hook off. So in that corner over there, there's a bunch of fish stacked up. I had on this little arky cricket, but I think it's too big for them, so I'm going to switch over to a little imitation Yozuri snap pea and snap bean and see if that works. Finally, man, just got another fish, this little green sunfish. Let's let this guy go. Well guys, today was an extremely rough day of fishing. Hopefully the next time I go out I have better luck. Hope you guys are having a fantastic week. Tight lines. Catch you next time.